Alright, I finally got my 2 quarts of transmission fluid for my Honda Civic. I was going to use the AMS oil, but after doing some research online, it looks like OEM's is the best way to go for these transmissions. Just because it has the LSD, limited slip differential. So we're going to stick OEM. And I got them. They were only 16 bucks for both. Man, if I would have known that, I would have done this oil change a long time ago. Yeah. So, hopefully no more second gear grind. Then I'll just have to do the clutch master slave adjustment. Hopefully that's what's doing it already. I already adjusted it once. The CMC, I think it's called. So, hopefully this new oil helps. I heard after you add new oil, sync ropes work like new. I hope so. That has over 150k. Stock oil, I'm guessing. Time to be replaced. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.